your name? You finesse me and it's all good. It's all good.
Hey, I like
got the Mama Juana.
Hey,
it's all good.
You like it having my phone number?
Oh, how is your phone number? She jealous. She don't want me nobody phone number. You know
she know with the
Chaviador.
It's not complicated. I can tell you, not complicated woman. No, sometimes you have to, be around.
All the time.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything water. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
This the wavy crocodile dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, man, this is it. Today, finally, man, I know it's been a minute. I hit that 10K like 2 weeks ago or whatever when I was in the DR. That vid'll be up soon. But if you haven't checked out my weekly sneaker rotation when I was in the DR, check that joint out. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get into this 10K toast. But for the moment, what I'm gonna do is, if y'all not ready yet, and you're 21 and older, 18 in some countries, I'm gonna play some B-roll from Jimmy Jazz the other day so y'all can get ready. You ain't gotta pause this joint, so just let this little Jimmy Jazz joint play and we'll get back to the vid. Talk to me.
You gotta know what to match with it though, but it looks like a regular sneaker though.
This joint alright too. I bang this. Hell yeah.
That joint a little hard.
Hey, but ooh, with that Nike Air Max.
Oh, I got the Safari joints to match this. You John
Yeah. Log in action.
Seen Safari with the Gatorade.
Yeah.
These look like super comfortable, but that gold glitter, nah.
He looked more like that other dude, Ron Harper, instead of Man, all right, cool, and we're back. Like I said, we're gonna do this toast, and then we're gonna get into an unboxing. So I'm gonna get into the toast first, y'all. Got that blue label, you already know. Shout out to Spook and P. They was gonna come over yesterday, but we was chilling out, so I was just like, man, forget it, man. It's all good. I appreciate y'all kicking it with me though anyway. So we about to crack the seal on this Johnnie Walker Blue, the Year of the Monkey. I don't think they was under any scrutiny, but you know what I'm saying? But looking like this lasts me for about a year, yo, no doubt. Only gonna be good occasions for this, so we're gonna pop the cork on this. Whew. What y'all sipping on, man? Let me know what y'all sipping on below for the toast. This is a shot right there. You know this is a shot. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take the shot, man. Yo, thank you to everybody. 10K. We going to 20K, 30, you know, like, let's just keep it going. Or shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me, man, for real. This goes to y'all. It's smooth though, boy. This is smooth. Let's get a little for later. All right, cool. That's it. All right, cool. So now we're gonna get into these unboxings and get another. Whew, so smooth. I ain't been sipping like that, yo. But anyway, man, we're gonna get into these unboxings. First box came in from Effectus Clothing, where you can use my discount code WAVY and save 25% off your purchase. Links in the description below too, so y'all can go straight there and save. You already know. Shout out to Brian. And then what we got? All right, bam. First tee I got is for the Jordan 13s. If y'all got them 13 olive joints, bam. G's and Hustlers. We all over the place like LV print. I like that. That's cool. Word. Yeah, that joint cool right there. The Streets Casino. Play your cards right and stack those chips. That's what it's all about. Word. Oh, snap. Cobra Kai. Yo, check this. Woo. Snake Eyes. Life's a gamble. Yeah, I like this one. Word. Yeah. If I catch him at the what's it called?
They go that Earl nigga.
The outlet. Oh, it's a wrap. We got here. Okay, something different. Oh, this is for the 10s. If y'all got the 10s, I don't have the 10s. Sneaker love, yeah, for the 10s. Word, that's what's up. Even if you know, I can bang it. Word. Shout out to Brian again, yo. Shout out to Effectus Clothing. Don't forget, use my discount code WAVY and save 25% off your next purchase. Word. All right, so next up, got another package in from my guys at 8 and 9.
Make some fucking love!
Shout out to Figs 8 and 9. Shout out to the whole 8 and 9 family, man. I appreciate it, for real. Don't forget, you can use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your next purchase, too. I got the link below, so all you gotta do is click it and save. You already know, ow. All right, first up, I got this Scully. This that cash on delivery Scully. You get this when I think you hit a certain amount of money spent. I forget how much. My bad. If I find out, I'm gonna put the link up there. I'm gonna put it up there, whatever. But yeah, so it's cash on delivery joint. Boom. Trap Woods. Eat what you kill. Cash on delivery. Woo, my first one. Hey, hold up, boy. Drink Champs, make some noise. Hold up.
Everybody in the building.
We gotta eye to eye again. We gotta do this for the Drink Champs. Make some noise. Word. Woo. Yeah. Yo, I got that Drink Champs joint, man. For real. Hype. Yo, shout out to Noise. Shout out to DJ EFN, Twin. Everybody out there, man. Yo, this is my favorite podcast, yo. I'm just so glad Noise doing this thing, man. Got it in a size large. Hell yeah, yo. I can't wait to rock this joint. Word. Drink Champs, baby. Word. Hell yeah. That's what's up. Next, I gotta get like the slippers, then I get the cups. Oh, Lord. He told me I need to get the cups, so I think I'm gonna do that. All right, so next up, I got that gray hoodie, 89 cash on delivery joint. Joint looking all right. Word. Hey, man, I already know how I'm gonna pump this, yo, with those Air Trainer 1 chlorophylls. And you know a couple other things, but yo, all right. Some chlorophylls, boy.
I'm telling you, man, Mitch, look at me.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah, man. The zipper. This might be one of my new favorite gray hoodies that be up underneath the jacket. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, oh yeah, got your pockets right here. Two pockets, not one going all the way across. Got your zipper. Bam. Hell yeah. Word. Yo, this joint dope, man. Made me want to get a new pair of Constructs. You know what I'm saying? Word. And then, bam, I got the pants to go with it. You know what I'm saying? Word. That what's up, man. Hell yeah. You know, I'm gonna do my thing with this.
I mean, you know how I was. Yeah, but you know, that was then.
Got your cash on delivery joggers, boom. 2 back pockets. Got your cash on delivery right there. 89 right there. 89 tag right there. Drawstrings, dual pockets. Now these pockets, I ain't gonna front. These be those heart attack pockets, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you put your wallet up in there and one false move, that joint's gone. Now iPhone 6 Plus, it's gonna be protruding out. But nah, these joints is hard though. I definitely, since it's cold, I throw like, I already know what to do. Boy, you throw that vest on top, you keep your wallet there. But yeah, definitely, man. Yo, these joints is hard right here, man. I can't wait to bang them. Kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I love gray. I love the whole gray hoodie suit, man. I love gray, like especially like for the hoodies and the joggers. Choice is hard because you do have choices.
Everybody got choices.
Yo, man, some fresh Constructs. This is ill right here, yo. Shout out to 89, man. Again, use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your next purchase. Ow. All right, man, we about to get up out of here, but I think that we need to do one more toast just because, you know, we got the Drink Champs joint. I do one more toast, man. I want to toast to more success. I want to toast to my subs again. I want to toast to everybody that's been rocking with me. Appreciate it. So, man, like I said, we ain't drinking all that. So this for all my Remy drinkers out there, man. Yo, shout out to Remy Martin. I got that 1724. Bam. This is the Prime Cellar selection. Okay. But yeah, so bam. I forgot to tap the. Okay, my bad. Yeah. I'm making sure I'm doing that because I'm not sipping like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really sipping like that. But anyway, yo, hey, thank y'all to everybody, man, that's been rocking with the channel. Everybody that's been commenting. Everybody that's been hitting me up. Everybody that likes the Wave My movement. Everybody that appreciates what I do. I bring y'all content and discount codes, and I'm still trying to bring y'all more. That's what I'm trying to do. Content and discount codes. I mean, you know what I'm saying? What else do you want from me? Oh, you know, other than the toast, you know what I'm saying? Or for real, man, thank y'all. This 10K, you know, I'm chilling, man. I'm good. So, yo, salute to everybody, man, for real. Thank y'all. Whew. So we about to get up out of here, man. Like I said again, thank y'all. Everybody, I know I keep saying thank y'all. Cool. If you like the vid, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get this joint to 200 likes. This is gonna be the highest likes that I've ever gotten on a toast vid, I believe. I don't know. If y'all like the pickups, let me know. Let me know what y'all like. Again, shout out to Effectus Clothing. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your next purchase. Shout out to 89 Clothing, man. I appreciate y'all. And shout out to the Drink Champs. You already know, man. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Everybody been rocking with me. Don't forget, follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. Yes! It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
rapapapay, rapapapay. Así es que la quiero, quiero. Rapapapay, rapapapay.